Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Champagne, a practicing dentist in Morganville, New Jersey, and a dental product shopper contributor. Our team of over 1,200 independent evaluators are all dental professionals just like you. They eagerly use and evaluate products in their practices and then share their experiences with their peers. Today we're going to be focusing on the evaluation of BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow by Coltene. We'll learn about this product and find out what our evaluators had to say about using it in their practices. The BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow is a submicron hybrid composite that combines high stability and excellent flowability in one extremely versatile material. With optimal thixotropic qualities, BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow can be easily applied with absolute precision and reliability. Great polishability and long-lasting gloss are built in, simplified further by an innovative 2-in-1 duo shade system that provides consistent aesthetic results. With duo shades, fewer overall shades are required, simplifying inventory and selection. BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow is ideal for aesthetic single shade restorations. Coltene's BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow simplifies product inventory and selection while offering precise delivery, excellent flowability, high stability, and optimal aesthetics. With optimal thixotropic characteristics and 2-tip sizes, BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow is easy to apply with precision and reliability. Now let's take a look at what the independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper had to say about BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow. 10 evaluators with a combined 55+ years of experience took part in this evaluation. They looked at 7 different criteria during their examination. Some of the highest individual scores were given to ease of dispensing and placement, which received a score of 4.5, adaptation to cavity and wettability, received a 4.4, and curing time was given a 4.8. The overall score for BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow is 4.5, making it a Dental Product Shopper Best Product. When asked about BRILLIANT EverGlow, one evaluator noted, BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow is easy to work with and provides wonderful aesthetics. Dr. Michael Long of Auburn, Washington states, it's easy to place where I want it with no air bubbles. Dr. Dave Buccina adds that the cohesiveness and viscosity are superb and it has exceptional handling. So that's our report on Coltene's BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow, a best product according to our independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper. For complete evaluation results and to post your own review of BRILLIANT EverGlow Flow or other Coltene products, visit dentalproductshopper.com. I'm Dr. Richard Champagne. Thanks for watching.